Alright guys, welcome back. And today's video I'm going to be showing you guys another trick on instant visual, and this trick is going to be very quick and simple. You don't need to crack your brain and do some calculations or sort stuff like that. Okay, so it's just very straightforward and very simple. Now before we go straight to the trick, please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe and like my video, then share to other people so that they will also benefit from what you guys are benefiting. Okay, so that being said, let's go straight to the trick. Now what we are supposed to be doing here is we're going to be using England and Championship. Okay, we're going to be using England and Championship. So the trick goes like this: you just go to your over. Okay, yes, you go to your over and you check your over 2.5. Now the trick is you check your over 2.5, then you pick out the lowest odd from England, like the over 2.5 lowest odd. For example, for this one we have Aston Villa and Liverpool. Then you go to your championship and you look for the lowest odd, which is now championship don't have two low odd that are the same, so we are going to be skipping this game. Okay, I'll just bring out again that has different odds so that we'll just make use of it and we'll get the explanation very well. Okay, so let's go. We'll go to our over 2.5 and we pick out the lowest odd, and the lowest odd here is 1.70, right, Arsenal. And you go to championship and the lowest odd there is 1.84, right? Now 1.84. So what you are supposed to do, just go to your Arsenal and pick them anything to win, right? Anything to win. Then you go back and go to your Chelsea, Man City, anything to win. Then you stake. Now you can see guys that the odd is a little bit big, 1.5. Okay, 1.5. So let's go and see how it's going to be. Okay, we've lost this one. Now since we've lost this one, what we are supposed to do is we multiply by 3. Okay, so we'll go again and do the same thing. Okay, so you go to your over and under, you pick out your over 2.5, that is the lowest, which is Aston Villa. This Aston Villa Man U, so you just pick Aston Villa Man U, anything to win, and you go to your championship and you pick out the lowest odd. I think the lowest odd here is Inter Man U, right? So it's like we're playing Man U this time around, and the odd is 1.60. so play our game to be 150. Okay, so just watch the game and see. Okay, I think let's see. Let me not think. Okay. Okay, yeah. I said it's Mario will win 1. Okay, so this is our first win. So now go to the next round and we'll do the same thing, guys. Just do the same thing, just follow the same process. Pick the lowest odd from Google and pick the lowest odd from over 2.5, then go to Champions League, pick the lowest odd from over 2.5 also and play the two play the two, anything to win, right? So let's go. Anything to win, we'll use our 50 to place our bet. Okay, so I think this will be our last game for the day if we win, but if we lose, we'll just play our martingale. We'll multiply by 3 and play to give us a better okay, so we drew this game. Well, did we draw? Wow, we didn't draw. I thought we draw. Okay, so we've won. Or should I go to the next? Let me check the time. We still have more time, so let me just play, let me say 2 or so that we'll see how the trick is. Okay, so 1-7. Okay, 1-7. Then we'll go and this one is too big though, but we'll just be picking the lowest, so not minding the size, should I say size, the amount of odd. Yeah. Okay, so we are expecting Chelsea, that is Champions League, to win because Premier League, I think they've won already. I think Premier League have won already, so we're expecting okay, so we won the game. So guys, this is just the trick. You can test it, and don't forget to stick with what you can afford to lose. Okay, this is betting. It's not 100% accurate. You can lose your money at any time, so just play with what you can afford to lose and use a good money management. With this, I'll end the video. See you guys in our next video, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.